In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF file so the file size is much smaller. So we have a PDF here just on my desktop. Currently the size of this PDF file is 463 kilobytes, so we're going to try and reduce the size of this PDF. What I want you to do is go on Google and type in I love PDF. And then from here, go on this website, and then you have quite a few options here with what you can do with the PDF. You can merge a PDF, convert Word to PDF. We're going to choose the option Compress PDF. So we're going to press this, and then you just have to drag your PDF just into this area here. So let's drag it across. Now you have a few options for the amount of compression. You can go with extreme compression, that's going to make the file as small as possible, and you have recommended compression. That's where you'll maintain some quality of the file, but there will be some compression and reduction in file size. Or you can do less compression, which maintains the quality of the PDF. So let's do recommended compression. I'm going to press compress PDF here. There we go, and now the file size has reduced from 450 kilobytes now to 237 kilobytes. So it's 48% smaller according to this calculation here. So that's how you reduce the size of your PDF file. Just press download compress PDF to get the file on your computer. So that's everything for today's video. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.